Every single hour, the sun delivers more energy to Earth than humanity consumes in an entire year. For thousands of years this incredible source of power remained largely untapped. Today, however, a quiet revolution is taking place. It isn't driven by explosions or political conflicts. Instead, it happens silently on rooftops, across vast deserts, and even floating on lakes. Solar power is fundamentally changing how civilization produces electricity. The most surprising part is that this transformation is happening so gradually that many people barely notice it. Yet it may become one of the greatest technological revolutions in human history. Just 2 decades ago, most energy experts believed solar power would remain too expensive to compete with coal, oil, or natural gas. Solar panels were costly, relatively inefficient, and difficult to manufacture at scale. Governments viewed renewable energy as a useful supplement rather than a serious replacement for conventional power plants. Few predicted how rapidly technology would evolve. Within only a generation, solar energy would become one of the cheapest sources of electricity ever developed. The secret behind the solar revolution lies in manufacturing. Just as computers became cheaper through mass production, solar panels followed an extraordinary learning curve. Every new factory reduced production costs even further. Engineers learned how to use less silicon, automate assembly lines, and improve photovoltaic efficiency. As global production exploded, prices collapsed. Over just a few decades, the cost of solar panels fell by more than 90%. Few technologies in modern history have experienced such a dramatic decline in price while simultaneously becoming more efficient. The consequences appeared almost immediately. What was once the most expensive way to generate electricity gradually became the cheapest. In many countries, constructing a brand new solar farm now costs less than keeping aging coal power stations running. This shift isn't simply changing the energy industry, it is reshaping the global economy. For the first time in more than a century, humanity has a realistic opportunity to reduce its dependence on fossil fuels. And this transformation is only beginning. If one country transformed the future of solar energy more than any other, it was China. During the early 2000s, the Chinese government recognized solar technology not only as an environmental solution but also as an economic opportunity. Hundreds of highly automated factories were built, capable of producing photovoltaic cells on an unprecedented scale. Competition between manufacturers encouraged innovation, increased efficiency, and dramatically reduced production costs. Today, the majority of the world's solar panels are manufactured in China. This manufacturing dominance made solar technology affordable for millions of people and accelerated the global transition toward renewable electricity. Despite its complex appearance, the operation of a solar panel is remarkably elegant. Every panel contains dozens of photovoltaic cells, most commonly made from silicon. When sunlight strikes these cells, photons transfer their energy to electrons inside the material. Those energized electrons begin moving, generating an electric current. An inverter then converts the direct current into alternating current that can power homes, businesses, and even entire cities. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of this process is that electricity is produced without burning fuel, creating flames, or relying on moving mechanical parts. Solar power plants are no longer limited to rooftops. Across the deserts of China, the United States, Saudi Arabia, and many other countries, enormous solar farms now stretch across dozens of square kilometers. Millions of photovoltaic panels generate electricity simultaneously, supplying power to cities with hundreds of thousands of residents. Some installations are so vast that they can be identified from satellite imagery. Areas once considered economically useless are becoming some of the most productive sources of clean energy in the 21st century. All of this creates one important challenge. The sun doesn't shine at night, and cloudy weather reduces electricity production. That's why the next major breakthrough came from energy storage. Modern lithium battery systems can store excess electricity during the day and release it back into the grid after sunset. Gigantic battery facilities are already operating across multiple countries, helping stabilize national power grids and making renewable energy far more reliable. Together, solar panels and advanced battery storage are beginning to reshape the entire global energy system. The revolution isn't happening only at the scale of massive power plants. Millions of ordinary buildings are quietly becoming miniature power stations. What was once an expensive technology for enthusiasts is now a standard feature in new homes, schools, hospitals, office buildings, and apartment complexes. In many countries, homeowners generate more electricity than they consume during sunny hours. Instead of wasting the excess energy, they sell it back to the national grid. For the first time in history, ordinary consumers are becoming electricity producers. This decentralized model represents one of the biggest transformations the energy industry has ever experienced. Solar energy is transforming more than wealthy cities. Hundreds of millions of people still live in regions without reliable access to electricity. Extending traditional power lines across mountains, forests, or deserts is often prohibitively expensive. Yet a single solar panel paired with a battery can provide lighting, charge mobile phones, power internet connections, and even operate life-saving medical equipment. Across Africa, Asia, and South America, small solar systems have become the first dependable source of electricity for entire communities, creating new opportunities for education, healthcare, and economic growth. Solar power is not without challenges. Manufacturing photovoltaic panels requires silicon, aluminum, copper, silver, and other valuable materials. Most panels are designed to operate for 25 to 30 years before replacement becomes necessary. This means the world must prepare for large-scale recycling long before today's installations reach the end of their lifespan. Engineers are already developing technologies capable of recovering glass, silicon, aluminum, and precious metals from retired panels. The future of clean energy depends not only on producing renewable electricity but also on creating a truly sustainable circular economy. Perhaps the most exciting developments are still ahead. Scientists are developing next-generation solar cells based on perovskite materials that could become cheaper, lighter, and even more efficient than today's silicon technology. Other research teams are creating transparent solar panels capable of generating electricity while functioning as ordinary windows. Future skyscrapers, vehicles, and countless everyday surfaces could become invisible power generators. If these innovations reach commercial scale, almost every sunlit surface on Earth could help produce clean electricity. The solar revolution we are witnessing today may only be the beginning of something far larger. Energy has always shaped the course of history. Coal powered the Industrial Revolution. Oil transformed transportation, global trade, and international politics throughout the 20th century. Nations rich in fossil fuels gained enormous economic and geopolitical influence. Solar power, however, changes the rules entirely. Sunlight belongs to no single nation. Nearly every country on Earth has access to it. That means future energy systems could become far more decentralized, reducing dependence on imported fuels and increasing national energy security. For many governments, investing in solar power is no longer simply an environmental decision, it has become a strategic one. Some researchers believe the future of solar energy may not be on Earth at all. Instead, it could orbit high above our planet. The concept of space-based solar power involves placing enormous solar arrays in orbit, where sunlight is available almost continuously without clouds or nighttime interruptions. The collected energy could then be transmitted back to Earth using microwave or laser technologies. Although the concept remains experimental, space agencies and private companies are already testing key components. If successful, orbital solar stations could provide nearly continuous clean electricity on an unprecedented scale. Despite its extraordinary growth, no single technology will solve every energy challenge. The future electrical grid will likely combine solar farms, wind turbines, hydroelectric dams, advanced batteries, nuclear power, and intelligent smart grid systems working together. Each technology complements the others, providing reliability when sunlight fades or wind conditions change. Rather than replacing every existing source overnight, solar power is becoming one essential component of a much larger transformation. The energy transition is not about one invention, it is about building an entirely new system. A century ago, few people could have imagined a world where cars run without gasoline and homes quietly generate their own electricity. Today, that future is already unfolding. Solar power is no longer an experimental technology, it has become part of everyday life. Every year, photovoltaic systems become cheaper, more efficient, and more widely available, while new scientific breakthroughs continue pushing the industry forward. Decades from now, historians may look back at this period as the moment humanity truly began its transition away from fossil fuels and toward the limitless energy of the sun. And if that happens, the greatest energy revolution in history won't have arrived with a dramatic announcement. It will have happened quietly, one solar panel at a time.